As a child of an absent father, as a child who went to school and went to university, but today is toiling in the streets, unemployed, comrades. I stand before you, comrades, because I believe, comrades, and I'm of the view, comrades, that Umkhonto weSizwe remains the only solution that will liberate us, that will liberate me, and that will liberate you and all the entire people of South Africa, comrades. Umkhonto weSizwe, comrades, is not seasonal. Umkhonto weSizwe is here to stay, comrades. It will live long before myself and before you, comrades. It will live long, comrades, for generations and generations to come. We must ensure, comrades, that we protect, we defend and safeguard this movement, comrades, for future generations, comrades. Our children, comrades, must not suffer as we've suffered under the leadership of the ANC, comrades. They failed us, comrades, in the past 30 years, comrades. When we take the province of KwaZulu-Natal, comrades, we want jobs for the unemployed youth, comrades. When we take the province of KwaZulu-Natal, we want our streets to be clean, comrades, of hunger and all the drugs that are turning in the streets, comrades. Comrades, when we take power, comrades, we want to do away with jobs, comrades. Comrades, the minimum wage must be minimum wage, comrades. Comrades, 2026, comrades, when we take municipalities, comrades, we want to do away with bedroom interviews, comrades, that are presented by the ANC, comrades. 2026, comrades, we want this city, comrades, to go back to, comrades, to its former glory, comrades. This city is the most dirtiest city you'll find in the country, comrades, under the leadership of the very useless Mzimkhulu Thebola, comrades. Amanda! Ato! Who left to right? Emerson! Who left to right? Emerson! Safas Kitchen! Emerson! Safas Kitchen! Emerson! Hasika Suma! Tala Besu! Hasika Suma! Tala Besu! Hey Maruma! Hasicha! Hey Maruma! Hasicha!